Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on a calculator. First, understand that many graphing calculators, especially models like the TI-83 Plus and TI-84 Plus, possess the capability to run custom software. This process typically involves installing specialized firmware. You will need a personal computer and a USB cable to facilitate the transfer of game files. Performance will vary significantly based on your calculator's processing power, so manage your expectations. To begin, you must install custom firmware, often referred to as a shell or alternative operating system, onto your calculator. Before proceeding, always back up any important data to prevent loss. Ensure your device has sufficient free memory, typically several megabytes, to accommodate the game files. Finally, connect your calculator to your computer using the appropriate USB cable, preparing it for the next step. Next, download the specific Doom port that is compatible with your calculator model from a reputable source. You will then need a dedicated calculator-specific transfer program installed on your computer. Locate the downloaded Doom game files on your computer's hard drive. Using the transfer software, simply drag and drop these game files directly into your calculator's memory, a process that usually takes only a few moments. Once the files are transferred, navigate through your calculator's menu to find the newly installed Doom application. Launch the game and feel free to adjust any available settings, such as screen brightness, to enhance your experience. Use the calculator's arrow keys for movement and other designated buttons for actions like firing or opening doors. Now, enjoy playing a classic first-person shooter on your portable device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.